Okay. Uh, Thanks for watching my videos and thanks for subscribers for your support and please give a like to my video. Watch the videos completely. Don't skip the videos. Don't skip the video. Then watch completely. Then you will understand well. Right. Coming to the next one. We discussed the previous video, oxidation and reduction. Then next topic, oxidation. Oxidation effect. Oxidation has some effects in our daily life. Effects of oxidation in our daily life. What are the two effects of oxidation in our daily life? Is corrosion and other one is ran acidity. Corrosion and ran acidity. The damaging effect of oxidation on metal, the damaging effect of oxidation on metal, simply we can call corrosion. On the food, we can call ran acidity. So corrosion is a process in which a metal is eaten up gradually by the action of air, moisture or a chemical on their surface. Here, a chemical on their surface means any acid. So, a chemical on their surface means any acid on their surface. For example, corrosion, you know very well. For example, rusting of iron. We know very well. Iron plus oxygen in the presence of water vapor, right? It gives us a Fe2O3 that X2O oxidation. Oxygen is added to iron. Oxygen is added to iron. So it gives rusting. It gives us rusting. So we will write the formula 4Fe plus 3O2. 4Fe plus 3O2. 2, 4, 6. 6 X H2O, right? Okay, whatever, rusting of iron is an example. Rusting of iron is example for corrosion. So when you place piece of iron outside for a few days, we observe that a brownish layer is formed on it because of oxidation. So iron reacts with atmospheric oxygen in the presence of humidity, air. So what will happen? It forms a brownish coating on it. Such kind of condition on the surface of the metal like iron, we can call it corrosion, rusting of iron. So corrosion weakens the strength of the metal. Corrosion weakens the strength of the metal objects, structures as railways, car bodies, bridges, ships, etc. And different situations we observe that metals, especially iron, which is used in construction, get damaged by corrosion. To avoid the corrosion, we have to use different methods by applying oil on them or by coating of another metal, by applying paints, by electroplating, by galvanization. So whatever, by using different kinds of methods, we can prevent, we can avoid, we can stop, we can prevent the oxidation or we can prevent the corrosion. Similarly, when we pour some acid on the surface of the metals, also get damaged. Such kind of condition we can call corrosion. kind of condition is called corrosion. So it is also a redox reaction. It is also redox reaction. Then ran acidity. Easy to understand. That's why I didn't explain much here. Ran acidity. So whenever we store the food contains fats and acids for a longer time. For a longer time. So we have to observe that an unpleasant smell. We observe that an unpleasant smell from the food which contains fats and acids. Sorry, fats and oils. Fats and oils. So and the taste also changed. Taste also changed. Such kind of condition. Such kind of condition we can call ran acidity. So ran acidity is a condition produced by aerial oxidation of fats and oils in food. Observed in food, we observed that unpleasant smell, a bad smell, and unable to taste the food also. Unable to taste the food also. Is an example for oxidation. Then when we cut the apple, sweet potato, or brinjal, right? We observed that a light brown layer is formed on the surfaces of fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables, because of that substance present in the fruit and vegetables reacts with the atmospheric oxygen. Reacts with the atmospheric oxygen and get some brown color. The brown coating is formed. Right. Then how can we stop the ran acidity? How we can prevent the ran acidity? By adding antioxidants. So antioxidants means which prevent ran acidity. Which prevent ran acidity is called antioxidants. Antioxidants. So antioxidants are added to the food. Then the fats and oils present in the food do not react with the oxygen, do not oxidize. Then the food not spoiled. The food is not spoiled. So what methods we have to use here? Ran acidity can be prevented by packing fat and oil food in nitrogen gas. Some kurkures, chips packets. So some air is present in that packets. That is nothing but nitrogen. Nitrogen acts as an antioxidant substance. The food cannot react with atmospheric oxygen. So potato chips, the manufacture of potato chips, right? Bags containing chips with nitrogen gas prevent the chips from ran acidity. So keeping the food in refrigerator. Then ran acidity is prevented by storing the food in airtight containers. Then storing the food away from the light. So by using this kind of methods, we can prevent ran acidity. So these are the effects of oxidation in our day-to-day life. So oxidation, we know, adding of oxygen. So for food materials, metals reacts with oxygen, they form the respective substances. So they are damaging the food, we can call ran acidity. If they also damage the strength of the metal, we can call it is corrosion. So you already know about corrosion. What methods you have to use to reduce the corrosion, what are the necessary conditions are required for corrosion of metal, you will learn in another chemistry chapter, materials, metals and non-metals. So no problem, these are the very easiest topics, that's why I didn't explain much about this.